Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight I'm going to make a very simple mushroom stew or stir fry mushroom. Just a very quick one, yeah, and very, very simple. When you don't have meat, this is also as good as meat, yeah. Now, I'm just going to use a chicken stock to make the mushroom soup stew. So I'll be using my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Singapore and Malaysia, Shopee, very easily. And I have some shiitake mushroom here. You can also use fresh mushroom if you like. I have already pre-soaked the shiitake mushroom earlier and cut it into slices, thick slices like this. I have some minced garlic and also sliced ginger, and I have 2 packets of enoki mushroom. Recently, I don't know why my family loves to eat enoki mushroom a lot. And the thing about enoki mushroom is that the moment when you bought it, you have to remove the bottom part of probably cut away about 20% of it, yeah, the bottom part. This is about 2 packets, and enoki mushroom you don't have to cook for a long time, so you will add it towards the end, and we will just make the mushroom stew using the shiitake mushroom first. Once the oil is heated up, we put in the ginger, garlic, and together with the mushroom. Well, to be honest, initially I wanted to make mushroom chicken stew today. But then my mother-in-law told me that she's already making some chicken soup. Therefore, I took out my chicken and replaced it with some enoki mushroom. There's no rules in Appa kitchen, yeah? That's the best thing about home cooking. Now, the thing about shiitake mushroom is that you need to do certain steps in order to really bring out the fragrance and the flavor, especially sautéing. You really want to saute your mushroom. Some will actually saute even without any oil. Can be done, yes. That is also good. So saute this for a while. Then you can add in, this is the water I use to soak the mushroom. We need a bit more water here because we need to make allowance for the enoki mushroom, remember. And earlier I mentioned Appa is going to use chicken stock to cook the mushroom. And there you go, this is my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Add in approximately 1 teaspoon. Immediately this becomes chicken stock. 2 seconds. You don't have to prepare chicken stock like Appa used to do already. This is how it makes your kitchen life easier, and it has helped me a lot, yeah? Now the next thing is we are going to season this. About 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Oyster sauce and mushroom goes perfectly together. Or you can use abalone sauce as well, no problem. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. A bit of Hsing wine. For those who don't take alcohol, just omit the Hsing wine will do. I'm going to give it a little bit of my premium Vietnamese fish sauce, few dashes. For the color, we are going to give it some dark soy sauce. Not too much. A bit of salt. After salt, follow with some sugar. Similar amount. Now we are going to tune it down to medium-low and let it simmer under medium-low heat for probably about 5-10 minutes. So why is it you want to season the sauce, the broth, before you add in the mushroom? Because you want to get ready the flavor so that this flavor will be absorbed nicely into the mushroom during the simmering process. By the way, you can throw in any kind of mushroom to this particular dish if you like, or fuzu also can, up to you. Just make sure everything is nicely cooked. So this is after approximately 5-6 minutes simmering under medium-low heat. You can cook it a little bit more if you like, up to you. But if you cook it a bit more, then you probably need a bit more broth, yeah, the sauce, yeah. If not, it can dry out as well. I feel it's a bit tough, still a bit tough. I'm going to give it a few more minutes. One tips here is that if you can use the smaller shiitake mushroom, so that it gets cooked through much easier and faster. I don't have smaller mushroom left. Need to go and buy more. Yeah, these are the bigger ones, so it takes longer time. Probably at least 10 minutes and above. Yeah. Alright, it's slightly over 10 minutes. Everything should be cooked through by now. I'm going to slowly put in the enoki mushroom. There's a lot of enoki mushroom today. Raise the fire a little bit. Papa is thinking of coming out with some vegan powder. What do you think? Any of you interested? Vegan powder. Right, see, enoki mushroom immediately softens. So once it is softened, it's actually basically good enough. You don't want to overcook your enoki mushroom. And next thing, of course, now you can use salt and sugar to adjust the taste, yeah. And right before serving, I'm going to off the fire, and we are going to starch it. Add in some starch solution. Let's thicken it up. Give it a few dash of white pepper and it is done. No meat, but it's going to taste very flavorful. Right, our very simple but very flavorful mushroom stew is ready in 15 minutes. Yeah, that's how simple a dinner can be. I hope you like my very simple video tonight. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.